Going over the trades on the day, April 1st, another smooth trend day. We anticipated this. Market was about to trend wide end of the month, beginning of the month, in combination with a holiday coming up. Seems like when there's a holiday period, the volatility shrinks and the market floats higher. And so that's what we're seeing today. Big trades in the E-mini S&P. Taking a look here at tick pullback, one of the top trades on the day, plus 1250 on the E-mini S&P. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P plus 775. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P profit target plus 575. It looks like it's one of those markets when you look at it in hindsight that it was an easy trade, but when you're watching this in real time, these trades, they feel like they're about to roll over. It feels like it's about to roll over here. Feels like it's about to roll over here. Feels like it's about to roll over here. Feels like it's going to roll over here into the close because you remember the times that it did. And then all of a sudden, boom, it pops at the last minute, and in hindsight, you say, oh, that's an easy trade. But if you're watching it all day, worrying about the trade, it feels like it's about to go against you all day. And so it's the psychology of trading. And so it's, the base version made 775, profit target version made plus 575, 60-minute breakout plus 750, adapt moving average plus 1,037.50. Nice ES trades, ES2. Tick Fader lost on the day, tried to short this 2 days in a row, didn't work out on the counter trend trade. VSDES plus 2,037.50, and those are the only two in this workspace that traded today. NQ, we're on NQ2, whereas NQ1, I think I have these out of order. Okay, now they're in order. I'll go over NQ2 first since we're already here. And again, these are the all strategy access, 118 strategies we track daily. 60-minute breakout minus 525, B version plus 4,000, PR breakout minus 325, VSD long short plus 4,300, VSD long only plus 4,300. 2 big days in a row here. EVP1 plus 275, capturing the move at the end of the day. Cobra 3, $1,200 stop loss plus 270 on the day. Gap continuation, big stop loss minus 725 on the day. $700 is a very small stop loss if you just look at this chart. Viper ES plus 575, that's a 2008 version. Let's look at NQ1. Cobra 3 profit target, non-profit target version with the $600 stop loss was stopped out. Once again, you needed a bigger stop loss. The $1,200 stop loss worked. The 600 did not. Tick Pulse V12 minus 625. This one also has a $600 stop loss, needs a bigger stop loss. Tick Count Trend plus 525. Those are the trades on the day in the base NQ. Exhaust and reverse, no trades on ES. Silver, 2 trades. It's on its second trade, plus 1475 right now. Crude oil, Cobra Crude lost today on the conservative and the aggressive, minus 725 each. Gap fill fade from our book. We don't trade this much, but it's been on a hot streak lately, capturing all these moves. That has not been a strategy to trade in recent trading. It's been down, and this is not one we're trading in the portfolios, but we're tracking it. And last 3 trades have, pretty much made up all the losses back to September, or quite a bit of the losses since September. So nice trading on the last 3 trades. It goes up on the year with those, plus 1,085. Let's look at the dailies. So big trades, Suez Canal volatility, anticipating higher crude oil prices. Market sold off yesterday, sold off again today, and then reversed and rallied big time, $2.50 per barrel. Big rally in crude oil, and the shorts, the longs right here were stopped out because such a big pullback. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Euro, minus 456.25. Gold, as you go for long, plus 1475. Only 2 strategies to trade in gold. Silver, lost on SR counter trend 2. Minus 825 was profitable on SR counter trend 4. The exact opposite was the case yesterday. So soybeans, Grains day trader 3 lost today. Funny looking chart with that limit move. Again, I anticipate higher prices in these commodity markets. You saw what crude oil did and how it rebounded. Soybeans moved higher and it's pulling back again. I anticipate it to move higher at some point. The path is, can be volatile, but I do anticipate higher prices. These are the optional and old strategies. Again, that's 118 strategies. We have a 3-day holiday weekend coming up for Easter, and so we will not be doing any daily reports tomorrow. The stock market is closed. Futures close at different times, and so for the most part there won't be any trading. Make sure you exit your strategies if you don't want to hold over the long weekend. The jobs report is coming out at 7:30 in the morning, so the night session could still trade well if you trade strategies, but you might want to make sure that you exit before Friday's close. And the market closes at 8:15 for stock indexes, 8:15 a.m. Gold, energies and metals are closed, are going to close today at 5 Eastern Standard Time, and they won't reopen, but the stock indexes and bonds and Forex will. And so the jobs report is at 7:30. Stock indexes will close at 8:15, and bonds and FX will close at 10:15 a.m. These are Central Standard Time, CST, so adjust for your time zone and make sure you understand this about the market. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Everyone have a good Easter, and I will talk to you next week.